In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a before of me decorating my living room. I will do updates throughout the process. We are getting a new couch on Sunday. Today is Friday, so in 2 days we will be getting this new couch. And so I really just wanted to kind of document how I brought this living room up. So I do have my Move With Me Part 2 vlog coming up soon. And that will show you guys basically like a before of the apartment, like before any furniture was in or anything like that. So that will be like the ultimate before, but right now, this is how we have it decorated. So this is what it looks like when you walk in from the door. The door is right behind us. Let me just show you that really quick. But yeah, it is right behind us. So when you walk over this way, you see the TV and the entertainment center. So trying to show you this, but yeah, our entertainment center is from Walmart, so I will link that down below if we can still find it. The TV is from Target. It is an LG 49-inch 4K TV. I'll leave that linked below as well. When we bought it, I believe it was like $500, so it was a pretty decent price. Over here we do have some decorations on the actual entertainment center. Down below is where we keep our Wi-Fi stuff. We have our cable box right there. And then right there is the computer screen that I was talking about in the intro. Yeah, it's just a regular old one, but Jacob needs it for his gaming. So when I have to do my business, he'll come out here, set up his computer right next to the entertainment center, and all of that fun stuff. Behind it, we do have a little container, which I like to call it, but it just houses all of his like electronics, like his headset, his controller. I believe his mouse is in there. So we do have all of that kind of stuff. And then in this one, I keep more of like his Xbox accessories, so like this headset that he got, and then his, what is this called? Like a storage disc. I forget the name right now. And then there's also a remote to his TV, or his computer, because it was originally a TV. And then over here we have the movie Disney, or the Disney movie Frozen. For my daughter, we got it yesterday, so that is just all out and whatever. So yeah, we do have that in the Xbox currently. So it's just in there chilling. This is obviously the Xbox, and then some of the decorations, which now I don't think you guys can see very well. But I got these 3 succulents, or these 2 succulents and this sign from TJ Maxx. So love it all, really do. And I really think it makes a nice decoration. Once we get the computer screen out of here, that would be great. So then down below, we do have my 2 printers that I use for my stickers. And then I already showed you what's on this side. So yeah, that's basically our entertainment center, and this is what it looks like together. Obviously you guys can see me in the TV, but yeah. Okay, so now when you come over here, we have the couch, which looks like this. So when I sit on the couch, I have to literally take a pillow and put it behind my neck. And then I constantly always have to have my feet up, otherwise my neck ends up killing me. So let me just give you the full advantage of how it is that I have to sit. And I can also only sit here for like 30 minutes like this before my neck actually really starts to hurt. So that is how uncomfortable and kind of unmanageable this couch is. I mean, I really do like the decorative pillows. I would probably keep that on the couch that we're getting. The couch that we're getting is about the same color as this one. It's a U-shaped. I'll insert a picture, or you guys will just have to wait till the updated living room tour. You'll probably see it in like clean with me videos. But until then, yeah. So that is the couch. Above it we do have some more pictures. it kind of started like a mini gallery wall. So we have our big picture right there, and then over are two signs that says thankful, grateful, and blessed, which goes along with my thankful kind of like brick sign that we have on my entertainment center. And then underneath we have like this marble and gold inspired photo. I really like how that turned out. And then we have over here our family portraits. It's me, Jacob, and Maddie. That corner picture is me on Christmas morning when I was younger, so that was really amazing. But yeah, so that's just how we have our living room set up. Let me just zoom into that family picture so I can show you. Yeah. Okay, and then over in this corner, we do have a huge sliding glass door. I really want to get curtains instead of these ugly blinds, because let me just show you how dark it gets when we close it. Like, pitch black, which I like, but I also like being able to see light without people having to look into my house to actually get that light. So that's what's over there. And then this is what the corner looks like. We have a couple of different items over here. So we do have this basket which has all these different blankets. Some are from Brookstone, I believe 2 of them are. So like this brown one and this like taupey colored one are from Brookstone. And then I received those from Christmas gifts from people that live in Massachusetts. So I'm not sure if it'll be in every place that you go. If I can find them, I'll link them, but no promises. And then this one is from TJ Maxx. I think it was like $17. It was a really good price, so I ended up getting that. And then this basket was $14 from TJ Maxx as well. And then over here is where I keep all my sticker stuff. For my business, I have like these binders where I used to keep stock. I have this little pencil cup. There's this empty binder. There's a watch. Like, yeah. So that's everything that I keep in that corner, along with a standing light. So this light has been the source of our living room light, basically. We do not have an overhead, but we do have like 3 different settings, so it really does brighten the room up. Let me just show you how it looks like with these closed. So this is what we live off of daily, because we do normally have the blinds shut, just because, like I said, I don't like people looking into my living room. But yeah, so that's how it all ends up looking. So anyways, that is basically my living room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, it is very bare bones right now. I do have a lot of things that I want to do. Currently, the only biggest thing that's going to be happening is the couch. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to get a rug or a coffee table yet. I do want those eventually, but don't know if I have the money or want to spend the money at this minute. So that is just how the living room is turning out. I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.